Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of annual fees. Whether you're dealing with credit cards, memberships, or subscriptions, annual fees are a common part of many financial products and services. But what exactly are they? And why do companies charge them? In this video, we'll break down how annual fees work, why they exist, and what you should consider before paying one. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how annual fees can impact your finances and how to make smarter choices when faced with them. An annual fee is a charge that you pay once a year for the privilege of using a particular service or product. You'll often see annual fees attached to credit cards, premium memberships, or certain types of accounts. The fee is typically billed automatically and can range from a modest amount to several $100s, depending on the benefits provided. Understanding what you're paying for is crucial, as annual fees can add up over time and affect your overall budget. Companies charge annual fees to cover the costs of providing special services, exclusive benefits, or premium features. For example, a credit card with travel rewards or luxury perks may come with a higher annual fee. These fees help companies offset the expenses of offering enhanced customer support, insurance, or access to exclusive events. Essentially, the annual fee is a way for companies to ensure they can continue delivering value to their customers while maintaining profitability. Annual fees aren't limited to just one type of product. You'll find them on credit cards, bank accounts, loyalty programs, and even some subscription services. Each product may offer different benefits in exchange for the fee, such as higher rewards, better customer service, or access to exclusive content. It's important to compare what you're getting for the fee across different products to make sure it's worth the cost. Annual fees are usually charged automatically, either on the anniversary of when you opened your account or at the start of each calendar year. The fee might appear as a charge on your statement, and it's important to pay attention so you're not caught off guard. Some companies allow you to pay the fee in installments, but most require a lump sum payment. Always check the terms and conditions to know exactly when and how the fee will be billed. It's easy to confuse annual fees with monthly fees, but they're quite different. An annual fee is a single charge once a year, while monthly fees are smaller amounts charged every month. Sometimes, a service may offer both, so it's important to read the fine print. Understanding the difference helps you budget more effectively and avoid surprises on your statements. Credit cards are one of the most common products with annual fees. These fees often come with cards that offer travel rewards, cashback, or premium perks. Before applying for a card, it's important to weigh the value of the rewards against the cost of the annual fee. Sometimes, the benefits can easily outweigh the fee, but in other cases, a no-fee card might be a better fit for your spending habits. Many memberships and subscription services also charge annual fees. This could include gyms, clubs, or streaming platforms that offer exclusive content or experiences. The annual fee is often justified by the value or convenience these services provide. Always consider how often you use the service and whether the benefits make the fee worthwhile for you. Some bank accounts, especially those with premium features, charge annual fees. These accounts might offer higher interest rates, better customer service, or additional perks like free checks or ATM reimbursements. Before opening an account with an annual fee, compare the benefits to those of no-fee accounts to ensure you're getting good value for your money. It's important to know if a product or service charges an annual fee before you sign up. You can usually find this information in the terms and conditions, on the company's website, or by asking customer service. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if the fee isn't clear. Being informed helps you avoid unexpected charges and make better financial decisions. Always read the fine print before agreeing to any annual fee. Sometimes, fees are hidden in the details or only apply after a promotional period. Make sure you understand when the fee will be charged, how much it is, and if there are any ways to avoid it. This extra step can save you money and prevent frustration down the line. Deciding whether an annual fee is worth it depends on your personal needs and how much value you get from the product or service. If the benefits you receive outweigh the cost of the fee, it might be a good deal. However, if you rarely use the perks or can find a similar product without a fee, you might want to reconsider. Always weigh the pros and cons before committing. To determine if an annual fee is justified, calculate the total value of the benefits you'll receive over the year. For example, if a credit card offers $300 in travel credits and the annual fee is $150, you're coming out ahead. But if you don't use the perks, the fee could be a waste. Doing the math helps you make a more informed decision. Some companies offer to waive the annual fee for the first year as a promotion. This can be a great way to try out a service or product without an upfront cost. However, remember that the fee will likely apply in the following years, so plan accordingly. Always check when the promotional period ends and what the regular fee will be. Did you know you can sometimes negotiate annual fees? Especially with credit cards or memberships, companies may be willing to reduce or waive the fee to keep you as a customer. It never hurts to ask, especially if you've been a loyal customer or if you're considering closing your account. Be polite and explain your situation. You might be surprised by the result. If you want to avoid annual fees altogether, look for products and services that don't charge them. Many credit cards, bank accounts, and memberships offer no-fee options. You may have to give up some perks, but you'll save money in the long run. Always compare your options and choose what works best for your financial situation. If you're currently paying an annual fee and don't feel you're getting enough value, consider switching to a no-fee alternative. Many companies offer similar products without the yearly charge. Before making the switch, make sure you understand any differences in features or benefits so you don't lose something important to you. Sometimes, paying an annual fee is actually a smart move. If the benefits you receive, like travel insurance, airport lounge access, or exclusive discounts, are worth more than the fee, it can be a great value. The key is to make sure you're actually using the perks and not just paying for something you don't need. It's easy to forget about annual fees, especially if they're billed automatically. Keep track of when your fees are due by setting reminders or marking your calendar. This way, you won't be surprised by a sudden charge and can plan your budget accordingly. Staying organized helps you stay in control of your finances. Including annual fees in your budget is a smart way to avoid financial stress. Calculate how much you'll need to set aside each month so you're ready when the fee comes due. This proactive approach ensures you're never caught off guard and can continue enjoying the benefits of your product or service without worry. Many services with annual fees automatically renew your subscription or membership each year. This means the fee will be charged again unless you cancel before the renewal date. Always check your renewal terms and set a reminder if you're considering canceling. This way, you won't pay for another year by accident. If you decide a service isn't worth the annual fee, make sure to cancel before the next billing cycle. Some companies require notice a few days or weeks in advance, so don't wait until the last minute. Canceling on time ensures you won't be charged for another year of a service you no longer want. Some companies offer partial or full refunds if you cancel shortly after being charged an annual fee. Policies vary, so check the terms or contact customer service to see if you qualify. Acting quickly increases your chances of getting a refund and helps you avoid paying for a service you won't use. Paying your annual fee on time is important, especially for credit cards. Missing a payment could negatively affect your credit score and result in late fees. Always make sure you have enough funds to cover the fee and set up automatic payments if possible. Good financial habits help protect your credit and avoid unnecessary penalties. In some cases, annual fees may be tax deductible, especially if they're related to business expenses. Check with a tax professional to see if you can claim the fee on your taxes. Keeping good records of your payments makes tax time easier and ensures you don't miss out on potential deductions. Many people believe that all annual fees are a waste of money, but that's not always true. Sometimes, the benefits far outweigh the cost. Another misconception is that annual fees are always hidden or unexpected, but most companies are upfront if you know where to look. Being informed helps you separate fact from fiction. When choosing between products with annual fees, compare the cost and benefits of each option. Make a list of what each service offers and how much you'll pay over time. This side-by-side comparison makes it easier to spot the best value and avoid overpaying for features you don't need. If you're managing finances for a family, annual fees can add up quickly. Consider whether family plans or group memberships offer better value. Sometimes, paying one fee for multiple users is more cost-effective than individual accounts. Always look for options that maximize benefits for everyone in your household. Businesses often pay annual fees for services like software, professional memberships, or premium accounts. These fees can be a worthwhile investment if they help your business run more efficiently or provide valuable tools. Always track these expenses and evaluate whether the benefits justify the cost for your company. Some loyalty programs charge annual fees in exchange for higher rewards or exclusive perks. If you're a frequent customer, these programs can offer significant value. However, if you rarely use the benefits, the fee may not be worth it. Always consider your usage patterns before joining. Many travel-related products, like airline credit cards or hotel memberships, come with annual fees. In return, you might get free checked bags, priority boarding, or room upgrades. If you travel often, these perks can easily offset the fee. But if you travel rarely, a no-fee option might be better. Some products with annual fees include insurance benefits, such as travel insurance, purchase protection, or extended warranties. These features can provide peace of mind and save you money in the long run. Make sure you understand what's covered and whether you'll actually use these benefits before paying the fee. Some annual fees grant you access to exclusive events, content, or experiences. This could include VIP concerts, early product releases, or members-only communities. If these experiences are important to you, the fee might be justified. Otherwise, consider whether you'd be just as happy without them. Premium products with annual fees often come with enhanced customer support. This might include dedicated helplines, faster response times, or personalized assistance. If customer service is important to you, paying an annual fee for better support can be worthwhile. Some services allow you to upgrade to a higher tier by paying an annual fee. Upgrades might include more features, higher limits, or additional perks. Before upgrading, compare the new benefits to the cost and decide if the extra value is worth the extra money. Some services offer a free trial period before the annual fee is charged. Use this time to evaluate whether the service meets your needs. If you decide it's not for you, cancel before the trial ends to avoid being billed. Free trials are a risk-free way to test out new products. Some companies offer discounted or waived annual fees for students. If you're a student, always ask about special rates or promotions. Taking advantage of these offers can help you save money while still enjoying valuable benefits. Seniors may also qualify for reduced or waived annual fees on certain products and services. If you're eligible, be sure to inquire about these discounts. Saving on annual fees can make a big difference, especially for those on a fixed income. Some companies offer accessible options for those with disabilities, including reduced or waived annual fees. If you have special needs, check with the provider to see what accommodations are available. This ensures everyone has equal access to valuable products and services. If you use international products or services, be aware that annual fees may vary by country. Exchange rates and local regulations can affect the amount you pay. Always check the terms for your specific location to avoid unexpected charges. When paying annual fees in a foreign currency, you may be charged additional conversion fees. These extra costs can add up, so factor them into your decision. If possible, use a payment method that minimizes or eliminates currency conversion charges. Over time, annual fees may increase due to inflation or rising costs. Companies usually notify you in advance, but it's important to review your statements and stay informed. If the fee rises beyond what you're comfortable paying, consider switching to a different product. You have legal rights regarding annual fees, including the right to clear disclosure and the ability to cancel without penalty in some cases. Always read your agreement and know your rights. If you feel a fee was charged unfairly, contact the company or a consumer protection agency for help. To wrap up, annual fees are a common part of many financial products and services. The key is to understand what you're paying for, compare your options, and make sure the benefits outweigh the cost. By staying informed and proactive, you can make smart choices that keep your finances on track. Thanks for joining us as we explored how annual fees work. Remember, the best financial decisions are the ones that fit your unique needs and goals. Take the time to review your accounts, ask questions, and don't be afraid to switch if something isn't working for you. With the right approach, you can manage annual fees confidently and keep your finances healthy.